all-purpose flour, sugar. Wait a minute. Do I need brown sugar? Because I don't even have that stuff anymore. Oh my God, what do I got? I feel like I have some type of brown sugar somewhere in that cabinet, somewhere. You know what? I'm going to get my mic because I've had this camera since the end of June, and I've not once used the mics that came with it, nor have I carried this camera with me in the street, so I'm still using my phone. What was the point? Let me get the mics. Maybe that'll help. I'm going to see if the sound quality is better. I'll be back. Let me just tell you, let me just tell you something. You know it's bad when this tag is still on the... What did I think I was going to do? Take it back? Why is this tag still on it? Sometimes I feel like I wasted my money on this camera. It's cute, but it's not doing anything special that my phone wasn't doing. The picture quality, I don't know. Is it good? Okay. Oops. So, how do you even use these? Oh, I don't even know how to use this. So I just turn it on. What? Do I have to charge this? Oh, crap. I gotta charge it. I think I gotta charge it. You know what? Oh, no. I think it's pairing. The thing is... Oh, no. That means it's recording. You know what? Figure this thing out. That's gonna show. What if I did it like this? That's better. But I don't even know if it's working. You know what? I'm gonna figure this out. Really, I don't have time for this. Let's just focus on the task at hand because I'm not dealing with that. It's gonna make me not want to make the cupcakes or muffins, whatever they are. Let's get our ingredients together. Cinnamon, clove, nutmeg. Where's my nutmeg? Oh yeah, I got the little nutmeg. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna break the recipe down in half. Half I'm gonna use egg, and the other half I'm gonna use the aquafaba. So we're gonna start off with apples. I washed them. Now I'm going to peel them. Actually, the first thing is first. I preheated my oven to 350. Now I'm going to take my cupcake liners. Prepare yourself ahead of time. It just flows better that way. Okay. So I do have an apple corer, but of course you don't have to use that. Just cut it in half, cut it in quarters, and then cut the core out. So this is just handy. And now you just cut them in half, and then in quarters. And just cut them in small pieces. You don't want them too big, but you also don't want them too small because you want to taste the apple. So, you know, there's always a fine line between making a video entertaining or making a video informative. You kind of gotta do both, but you're like, you don't want to drag it on. So how much cutting do I show you? You know, you don't want to sit here and watch me cut the whole apple, do you? And then if I don't show you enough, it's like, but I missed that part. Oh, I guess I'm still learning. And I will continue to learn because, you know, life is about learning always. Never stop learning. Always be curious. Okay. So once that's done, set that aside. Then we're going to go ahead and mix the flour. So take a teaspoon and a half. Okay. tablespoon. Okay. Okay, that's some math for you. See? You learn everything on this channel. Just gonna combine that before we add our wet ingredients. Now you can freestyle and add whatever else you have. I'm gonna add cloves because I have them. And alternatively, instead of using all of those spices, if you have like pumpkin pie spice, you can use that. I'm just put a little bit. Instead of that, you could just do like, I'm gonna say about 3 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Now that's an apple overload. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat that. Oh my goodness. Chyna, you've outdone yourself, girl. It's crazy because I haven't baked in so long. Okay, I'm going to see what's in this. I'm not going to be a savage. I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to cut it open. It's all dainty like. You know what I could do. Ooh. Girl, you getting it. You see the apples in there? I've already eaten one. Let me just tell you. I should have took the paper off first. I don't want to be this savage. Like, it's, you know, I went the whole summer without eating stuff like this. You know? So, I think it's okay. It's okay. It's the winter. That's what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to beef up. Alright, I'm coming back. Can you hear me? The vegan ones are in, well, they're done now. My kids eat those. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this because I'm a savage. Classy? Okay. Let me sit. Let me sit. Let me sit. This is my second one, but the first one didn't have the toppings on it. Oh my goodness. I'm not a cake person. I'm more about pies. And this is like a pie on top of cake. Pie filling on top of cake. That's good. Still. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, I have to make dinner. Let me know what I'm eating. Actually, I'm going to be eating chickpeas because I opened up that can for this aquafaba. But I got to figure something out for dinner for everyone. I'm simple. I eat to live. I don't eat to live. I don't live to eat. So, just give me something nourishing. But, oh my God. But also, it has to taste good. I hope you try these recipes out. This is a good muffin. It's not too sweet. I toned down the sugar a bit. Gotta tell you. It's the pie filling looking stuff. It's the apple compote for me. I could eat this apple compote every day. I don't know why I don't make it throughout the year. Like, I just start doing it around the fall. I don't know why. Technically, I could do it all year round, but I'm not gonna eat the other half. I'm just eating the compote. Okay. Warm apple spice topping compote dessert. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Putting it on top of the cupcake made the cupcake even better. It's not a cupcake, it's a muffin. Sorry. Put it on top of the muffin. Again, if you add frosting to this, it'll be a cupcake. I said I was gonna eat this half. No, I gotta eat dinner. I gotta eat. Okay. I think that I'm gonna end this day here, so I can do what I have to do. Because filming this just took longer than it needed to. If I wasn't filming this, I would have been done with this like probably an hour ago. I got myself settled, ready for the rest of the evening. Maybe I'll catch you guys tomorrow.